Driver. Aye, sir? Kenmore Street, number 10.
Right, though, Governor.
And you were actually going to... You really meant to...
Oh, please.
See that picture? Carry on.
Why? Why?
Why? Why, you have everything in the world to live for. Why, like a beautiful flower, a beautiful sunset, anything that's beautiful that... Well, it's not only that, it's your duty.
Duty? Duty? That's all I've ever known.
Well,
Oh, please. Oh, please. Don't let's say anything more about it. Do you mind?
I'm terribly sorry. Now, you just sit down and make yourself comfortable and... Won't you take off your coat?
I believe I will.
I wonder why
May I help?
my heart stops beating when I am near to you. I wonder why my lips keep repeating, dear, I love you. I want to kiss you whenever I look in your eyes. All the something about you won't let me pass by until I've held you close and I have told you, dear, I love you.
You know, I am hungry.
I don't think there's any place open except that funny little cab shelter down at the corner. I have an idea. Let's have a cab shelter banquet, shall we? They have, well, there's some wonderful pork and beans.
Oh.
Do you like pork and beans?
Yeah.
And some buns and plum and apple jam, huh? No, just plum and apple.
Oh.
And a herring. Nice herring. I think they have a herring. I won't be 2 minutes.
Oh, please. I just want you to know it's been so fine to know you. I hardly know how to thank you.
No, I don't want to see any of those tears when I come back. Not one. I won't be a minute.
Here you are, my lord.
I want to get a little something for a cold supper up in my flat. I think, and I never saw her again. I looked for her all over London. In fact, spent most of my leave searching for her. And you know, Major, she was beautiful. Beautiful.
I say, old man, that is a great idea for a novel. A great idea. I must jot down the main points. Why, it's positively pregnant with possibility.
I beg your pardon?
Yes. Unquestionably, a lady of the pavement.
Captain, I don't believe you've met Mr. Foraker. Mr. Foraker, Captain Hewlett?
Oh, charmed, I'm sure.
How do you do?
Mr. Foraker is the Colonel's brother-in-law. Just came out to India, looking for local color.
Indeed?
Say, I wonder what Captain Hewlett is saying to him. Must be awfully interesting. Must be awfully risque. My husband has 20 notebooks like that, and every one is a private scandal.
Really? Now, there was one thing that I was very anxious.
Well, if you'll pardon me, I'll pay my respects to the Colonel.
Jim, how are you, my boy?
Very well, sir, and you?
Oh, fine. More I would be if my liver didn't go on strike. It's this confounded climate. Well, did you have a good leave? Oh, you lucky young dog.
Yes, sir, quite.
And I suppose you left a lot of broken hearts in England, huh?
Yeah, not this time, sir. He's carrying the broken heart now.
Oh, I say, Jim. Wedding bells?
Oh, no.
No, Colonel. Just a romantic adventure with a mysterious lady. You
Uh-huh.
know about Jim?
I order you to tell me all about it.
I have a lot of things to tell you, Colonel.
Oh, by the way, you haven't met my wife? No, of course not. She arrived while you were on leave. Ruth, dear.
Yes, sir.
This is Captain Hewlett. Jim here has been like my own son. And I want you to know him and to like him as I do. He's the idol of his men, crack shot of the regiment, and the best polo player in all India. And Jim is the dearest girl in all the world.
How do you do, Captain Hewlett?
Oh, Colonel. Colonel Dangle, I want to be the first to tell you this one.
All right. You'll excuse me just a moment.
Of course.
Now,
Oh, I've so much to tell you.
There's nothing to tell. You are my Colonel's lady.
I do want you to understand. That dreadful night I told you I hated the word duty. I want to tell you why.
You needn't.
Oh, but you've a right to know. 3 years ago, Colonel Dangan came to England on leave. He was an old friend of my mother's. We were poor, and she was very ill and worried about leaving me alone. So when he proposed, I married him.
You couldn't have married a finer man.
I couldn't have married a kinder man. Colonel Dangan returned to India, but he took care of both of us until Mother died. That was 3 months ago. Then my duty was plain. I had to come out here to a man I scarcely knew. Oh, I couldn't face that. And I couldn't hurt him. He'd been too wonderful to us. Oh, there seemed only one way out. And that night, I tried to take that way.
I understand.
Thank you, Captain Mueller. And I know this will always be our secret.
Well, dinner time. Oh, bring in the girls. Come on, dear. Who are you going in with you? I'm alone. You're alone? Well. I thought it was rather nice. What's the store? Jim's only before the game tomorrow. What do you think? Oh, you sit here, Louise. Yes, Jim, please, you sit here. You don't mind, do you? Certainly no, of course not. I was just telling Ruth that I thought that probably before the game we'd go down and look at Jim's pony. One of my own there. I'll let him know. Well, are we all here? Won't you sit down? Please, do. Yes. There's one of them.
Same one. Same one.
The same one. I was just telling Ruth about polo pony that I told Jim. How much it reminded me of Aunt Martha.
John, aren't you ashamed of yourself?
Rather bad-tempered little beast, as a matter of fact.
George, put that book away, please.
Oh, tut, my dear. I say, Captain, would you mind giving me a few more details of your little adventure?
Adventure? What adventure?
Oh, why, it seems she met a veiled woman in London on the embankment. Yes, she was about to commit suicide.
What? Oh, I say, Jim. Truth is stranger than fiction, eh, Mr. Parker?
Indeed it is. I want details.
Well, at least, Jim, such details as you can tell before the ladies.
George, can't you see that Captain Hewitt doesn't dare to talk about this? And how many times have I asked you not to scribble at the table?
You know, Louise, you ought to be thankful that he doesn't take his writings to bed with him.
He does. And his alibi is that Mark Twain did most of his writing in bed.
Oh.
He did? Captain, would you mind telling me one thing? Did the beautiful blonde lady disappear the very night you took her to your apartment? Or did you say it was the following night?
Yeah, I say, oh, what?
Thank goodness they're going to die.
You know, they seem to prefer dancing to eating nowadays. Same way at home, I suppose, Louise.
Exactly. You had the dancing, Captain Mueller.
You'll enjoy it, Ruth. Best dancer in the regiment. Hey, Jim?
You don't mind, do you, Colonel?
Oh, delighted, dear fellow. Splendid chap. Well, do you approve?
He's adorable, John.
Uh-huh.
But marrying her, surely, was ridiculous. You should have adopted her. I asked you to dance, Captain Hewitt, only because I want to speak to you alone.
Please, you must believe me. I've said nothing.
You don't need to talk about it anymore, nor about anything else, Captain Hewitt. Please, never address me again, except as an officer in my husband's regiment, and in your line of filthy.
Why, you don't.
darling. I like that little tune.
It isn't just a little tune, Jack.
Well, it's soothing, whatever it is. Terribly hot tonight.
Aren't you feeling well, Jack?
Oh, I'm as well as usual, I suppose.
What's the matter?
Oh, nothing, dear. Just regimental business. Oh, hang it all, a man needn't keep secret from his wife. Hewlett's leaving us.
You mean he's going on leave?
No, he's leaving the regiment.
Well, I didn't think that was possible.
You'd have thought not. With the things all settled.
Is he going soon?
Tomorrow, to the 45th. They're stationed at Calpara.
I wonder what could have happened. Why should he want to leave us?
I'd give a lot more, really. He's given reasons, of course. Wants active service. Wants to be on the frontier. Wants the mountain climate. I don't think those are the real reasons.
Is he in any trouble?
Trouble? Of course not. What trouble could he be in?
Well, he might be in debt.
By George, I never thought of that. You know, I never thought of that. That is possible. You know, something might be done even now. I'd give a lot to keep Hewlett. He's the best officer in the regiment, understands the men. Of course, if he wants to go, we can't keep him. Still, it's worth trying. But we don't say anything about it, dear. He asked me not to tell anyone.
Why do you suppose he asked you not to tell anyone?
Well, of course, he naturally hates explanations, leaving us all like this.
Excuse me, Sahib. Time for you to go to the doctor.
All right, I'll come. You know, dear, the more I think of it, the more I feel it must be a matter of money. It can't be mixed up with any woman. Huh. He's hardly seen any woman, except you. See you later, my dear.
Put them in that black bag. And give that 30-30 to McLennan with my compliments.
I know I shouldn't have come here, but I had to know. Are you really leaving?
Yes.
Why couldn't you tell me?
Oh, I don't know. It didn't occur to me.
Oh, how could you? We've always been such good friends, haven't we?
You've been the very best friend I've ever had.
Oh, I know I shouldn't, Dick. But I don't want you to go. I don't know why you're going.
Oh, I want active work. Pretty sure to see some fighting, and that way I'll get chances.
Why do you like me? You know those aren't the real reasons. I want you to tell me. Have I anything to do with your going?
Why, you? Why, how could you?
Tell me the truth. Are you going because of me?
No.
I knew you would answer that way. It was like you. But there are things that none of us can deny. And we've been lying to ourselves and to each other ever since that night in London.
Well, then you do see that I must go now.
Oh, what? Couldn't we go on as we were? Just friends. Oh, we might have. You hadn't broken the spell. Oh, Jim, why couldn't you let things be as they were?
I couldn't.
I understand.
I was afraid. I knew I couldn't go on seeing you day after day and not speak. Why, I was beginning to be afraid of myself. The only strength I had was the strength to go. Oh, I'm a fool. Why am I saying all this? Please forgive me.
You meant to go. Without a question. Without a word.
Well, there was nothing else to do.
Remember, when you were gone.
Oh, things will be all right then.
What's to become of me?
Of you?
There's no place for me to go. I shall be here, living on, day after day, same life, in an empty house.
Well, you don't feel like that.
Do you think I'd have made you speak? Do you think I'd have spoken myself if I hadn't? Oh, I can't bear it. I can't bear it. Jim, do you remember the day we rode to the Siva temple?
Indeed, I remember.
You remember we were talking of reincarnation, and you asked me what I thought I was before I was myself. And I said, I don't know, but I must have been something where you were.
Yes.
And for a moment, there was a strange light in your eyes, and then you looked away. But I knew then about you and about myself.
I've always felt that way about you. Since the first night I met you. You'll never know how hard I tried to find you in London. And then I found you. And when I realized my very best friend, the man who had been like a father to me, I knew then. Oh, well, I'm leaving.
Jim, don't you see you needn't go?
Now more than ever. Why, after tonight, if I stayed, do you think I could ever look him in the face again?
Hello, Hewlett.
Yes?
Not intruding, am I?
Oh, of course not.
Well. Getting all packed up here, huh?
Oh, practically,
Mind if I sit down?
Oh, do, please.
Jim, oh. Hang it all, Jim, I haven't a son of my own, but you've been pretty nearly that. And I always felt that someday, when I went on the shelf, you'd command the regiment. How long have you been with the regiment, Jim?
Oh, 12 years.
12 years. It's a long time. Here, Jim. What's your real reason for going?
My real reason?
Yes, your real reason. You in debt, Jim?
Oh, in debt? Yes, sir. That's it.
I thought so. Well, then, let me help you. And as for paying me back, whenever convenient.
Well, I...
No, Jim, I don't want the particulars. I want you to take the money.
Well, it isn't that safe. I didn't tell you the truth. I don't need money.
Well, then.
Oh, I don't want you to think I'm ungrateful or that I'm anxious to leave the regiment. Believe me, it isn't easy for me to go. But, well, I've thought it all out, and I want to go. I must go.
All right, my boy. We'll say no more about it. Is she here now? Yes. Now I understand why you're going.
Now you understand why I'm going. But she is not to blame, sir. Fate brought us together, and I didn't know she was married. Fate has thrown us together every moment since I've been back. You know what it means to really love someone who...
Just a minute, Hewlett. The man who comes between another man and his wife is doing the one unforgivable thing. You're right in wanting to go. You've got to go.
But she is not to blame for anything. I want you to take her with you. Please take her with you.
No, Hewlett. I've got to stay here and face my brother officers day after day. I want to be able to look every one of them in the eye. I never want to know who she is. I'm going to forget this. Forget it completely. Good night. If you ever need me, if you're ever in any trouble, let me know. Good luck, Jim.
नहीं जाना चाहिए आप तो आकर रखा हाँ आप ऐसे दूसरे आदमी नहीं होने सकते नहीं
Three months of this mountain duty is enough for me. How you stood it for over a year without any rest at all. Heaven only knows, sir.
Captain Sahib, there is a native priest outside who would speak with you.
What does he want?
He said he has very important information.
Well, tell him to come in.
There he is, sir.
What is it?
He said there is a party of white people at his monastery, cut off by bad hillsmen.
What monastery?
It is the monastery Bhutan, sir. Many miles away from here.
The Bhutan monastery? Well, what are the fools doing up there? Who's in the party?
He said he don't know, sir. They come 2 days ago with few soldiers and no food. He and the other monks escaped in the night.
Confound the meddling fools. Oh, well, all right, Sergeant. Say, Stumpy, will you get my maps together and tell the men get ready?
Very good, sir.
Fall in. Get your packs on. Fall in again with rifles.
There's the monastery, Stumpy.
Right, sir.
You know, I don't like the looks of this, Stumpy. It's altogether too quiet. I'm afraid the hills are full of them. Now, if they make an attack, you take my horse and a non-com and go back for reinforcements.
Yes.
Inside?
No. You know, come in.
You open the gate. I go out the gate.
No. Too late.
Jim. Hello, Eula. Narrow squeak, old man. All your men get in?
All the time.
I'll have a look at the fellows at the gate and tell them you're all right.
What in the world are you doing here? Where's Colonel Daniel?
With his regiment. I came here with Mr. and Mrs. Farragut.
Farragut?
Yes, he wanted to write a story about these old monasteries. Oh, it's my fault, really. I told him it would be all right.
Well, surely you must have realized the danger. Everyone in the army has known of this outbreak.
Well, I didn't think about the danger. Or of anything else. I just had to keep on going. Oh, Jim. I just...
Lam. I say, Lama, will you please stop praying just long enough to tell me if, in your opinion, this water, the well water, is free from microbes? That is to say, is not dangerous to human life.
Party up here.
Captain, an author, too, has to face danger in his work.
Well, you got your people into this situation. Now, how do you intend to get them out?
Why, at such climaxes, I find that fate usually plays the winning hand.
Well, fate probably will.
George, I do think that Louise should lie down a while. This has been a terrible strain. No, I'm quite all right. I want to know what's happened and what's going to happen. I lie down.
Oh, if the water of the well be good, it is good.
Why, he speaks perfect English.
Well, of course. How did you expect him to understand what you said if he didn't?
Well, I never thought of that.
Can I turn over to you now, Captain Hewlett?
Yeah, I'd like to find out where you placed your men.
Yes, sir.
Won't you try and get some rest?
I never felt less tired in my life.
You won't be afraid, will you?
I'm afraid of nothing. Except myself.
Oh, my word. Why, I'm normal.
You seem disappointed.
Well, but now I can't take my pills, and they did make me feel so much better.
You always seem to be alone. Why did your followers leave you?
They fled. The illusion of fear made them blind. The madness of killing. If they only knew they will be born again, again and again. They are binding themselves fast to the nethermost part of the wheel.
That is the wheel of life?
The wheel of existence. Above the heavens, there the celestial ones. Mankind here. beneath the realm of ghosts. All therein is illusion. We are born in it and reborn, birth after birth, chained to illusion, bound till desire be dead in us. The wheel of life, and life is suffering because we cheat ourselves with the illusion of what seems.
Is love an illusion?
The last illusion.
It isn't true. It isn't true. Love is real. All the rest may be illusions. Life, death, suffering. But when love comes, what do they matter? Oh, everything in the world may pass away from you, but love remains.
Captain Mueller, the officer who came over the pass with him, you sent him back for reinforcements?
Yeah.
They got him.
They got him? They got old Stumpy, huh? Oh, and they got us, Max.
Mueller, I'm afraid I caused you some annoyance a little while ago, and I should like to apologize.
My dear fellow, quite all right.
Thank you.
One moment, Pop. You realize the immediate danger we're in here, don't you? The man I sent for reinforcements was killed.
That means...
It means we haven't a chance in the world of getting out. Of course, the women must know.
Of course not.
home this fall. I've been saving up for 5 years. Come on, mister.
Have you any more provisions left, mate?
No, sir. Or any ammunition either. If we only hadn't the women, sir, we could go out for to make a thundering fight. And finish it that way.
No, it'll be finished soon enough, I guess, mate.
I'll go round the sentries. You better get some sleep, old boy.
We'll all get all the sleep we want presently, mate.
Yes, sir.
Where are the others?
Why, Mr. and Mrs. Farragut are asleep, I think. And McClare's doing guard duty below. Don't you think you'd better go to your room? The nights are dangerously cold up here, Ruth.
Why worry about a little cold now?
Why, it isn't hopeless. Not by any means.
Jim, I know, and I'm not afraid.
You know?
I overheard just now. This is the end. Oh, you want to fight, to go on hoping, because you're a man. There's neither hope nor fight left in me. I'm just waiting.
Oh, Ruth, I feel so helpless. Here you are, trapped. And I can do nothing. Nothing.
If you were here alone, and by any miracle I could get here, I'd come. If I could go away alone, if any miracle could save me, I'd stay. Jim, I'm not afraid of death. I'm afraid of nothing in the world but losing you. Yes, all the time you were away, I'd have been glad of death, only for one thing, leaving you behind.
Oh, Jim, in those months, you can tell me now. How often did you think of me? How long did you miss me?
You were never out of my thoughts. There wasn't a day that I didn't long for you.
Oh, I knew. When two people love as we do, words don't matter. Going away couldn't change things, could it, Jim?
No.
Jim, tell me, what will the end be like?
When I think of you here, or Ruth.
Oh, it doesn't frighten me, Jim. It's a good end. Oh, then we shall be one. In the end, we shall be together.
Ruth.
Oh, Jim, isn't it strange? I can hardly feel the ground under my feet.
Oh, don't, Ruth. Please, dear.
You called me here then. Did you know?
I always call you that to myself.
Oh, Jim, tell me you love me. Say it. I want to hear. I want to hear.
I love you, Ruth. I love you.
And I love you.
Then what does anything matter? The world has kept us apart. People. It's our world now, Ruth.
All that's left of us.
I'll bring you more. Yes, sir. Eula. Oh, Eula. Captain Eula.
Yes?
The sentry, sir. Thinks he can hear movement down there. I think they're getting ready to attack.
Order the rest of your men to arms.
Yes, sir.
Jim. I want to follow. Here it goes.
Oh, Eula, they've arrived. The reinforcements. The advance party's already here. That was what our sentry could see. The main party's arriving. We're saved, Eula. We're saved.
Ruth, you're mine now. I'll never let you go. I love you enough to give up everything, to do anything or go any place. I'll resign from the army. We'll be happy, Ruth. We must be happy. And after all, that's the only thing that matters.
Put it offside. Two men off. West side. Where's my wife? Is she safe? Quite safe, Colonel. Quite safe. Ruth!
Oh, my dear. Oh, my dear, my dear. Oh, thank God I've got to sleep again. Jim, my dear fellow. My dear old fellow. You've given me back the one thing in the world I couldn't lose.
Oh, thank heaven you're here.
Well, George, thanks to you, dear, you've got yourself out of a very nasty mess.
Yes. Come, Ruth, let's get out of this dirty place.
Yes, my dear. Get your things together.
If you should need me, just send for me.
May I speak to you for a moment, Colonel?
Of course, Jim.
The old regiment again. Hey, Jim.
Well,
What is it, Jim?
I want to talk to you about her, about Ruth.
Just a moment, Jim. From the minute I heard she was in danger here, every step of the way I've been thinking things over. Last night, there was one time when it came over me a sort of sudden terror that I was never going to see her again. But now, well, I know just what you're going to say.
You know?
Yes.
I know. Oh, she's changed. I've noticed it. I've been worrying about it for some time now. Then somehow in these last terrible days it's come home to me. I haven't been fair to Ruth. I've been a selfish old fogey. Why, she's been wife and children both. Everything that's made my life worth living. Like Jim. If I lost her, I don't know what I'd do. Well, I've come to a decision. I'm going to retire from the service. We're going back home to England. We can travel or settle down wherever she wants to be, whatever she wants to do, anything that will make her happy. That's the only thing I want. Is that what you wanted to say, Jim?
That's what I wanted to say, Colonel.
Isn't it great, old boy? I'm going to see London again after all. Every one of the dear old places. Well, where are you going?
Go out there, Mac. Bring in the wounded.
Well, you can't do that, sir. But that's still fine. Eula! Colonel Hanks, it's madness for Eula to go out there and collect the wounded now. Why, it's certain death, sir. Eula?
Jim! Oh, somebody do something! Something! Jim! Do something! Jack! Jack, don't go out there! Jack, I'll kill you! Don't!
You want him back, don't you? Jim! Jim!
Madness of killing. If they only knew they will be born again. The wheel of life goes on. In this stream of change that is the world, the blessings come.